In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate citations with NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask questions about your materials and verify where every statement comes from, so you can build trustworthy notes, summaries, and drafts with clear, clickable sources. First, head to the NotebookLM website. Open it in your browser and sign in if prompted so your work can be saved. You'll land on a clean, minimal interface built around notebooks, which act like containers for the sources and questions you'll work with. Next, either create a new notebook or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, choose the option to create a new notebook and give it a name that reflects your project or topic. If you already have a notebook with sources added, open that one to keep everything in one place. A quick tip here, using clear notebook names and consistent source titles will make finding and citing material much faster later on. Now, ask a question about your sources. Type something specific and grounded in what's inside your notebook. For example, ask for an explanation, a comparison, or a definition based on the documents you've included. NotebookLM will draft a reply using only those sources, which is what makes the citation so valuable. As you read the response, look for small numbers at the end of key sentences. Those numbers are the citations, and they map the statement back to the exact source passage that supports it. To verify the evidence, click the number 1 next to the sentence you're reviewing. NotebookLM will jump you straight to the exact part of the source, often highlighting the quoted or paraphrased section. Take a moment to read a little before and after the highlighted lines so you understand the full context and not just the snippet. If you see additional numbers, you can click each one to compare how different sources support the same point. This is especially helpful when you want to confirm consistency across multiple documents or trace subtle differences in phrasing. That's the full workflow. Open NotebookLM, choose or create your notebook, ask a focused question about your sources, and use the small citation numbers to jump directly to the evidence. Keep your questions precise, watch for those superscript style numbers, and always click through to confirm the context. With this habit, you'll produce notes and drafts that are not only clear but also immediately verifiable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you practice this process in your own notebook.